San-Sebastьян. Named after a beautiful city in Spain, this world-famous dessert has taken over hearts with its incredible flavor. If you love cheesecake, this recipe is just for you. We start by placing 1 kilogram of fresh cream cheese into a bowl and softening it well. Then, we add 500 grams of sugar and mix carefully until the mixture is completely smooth and homogeneous. In another bowl, we beat 6 eggs until foamy. We slowly add the beaten eggs into the cheese mixture, stirring gently. A little tip, don't rush it, otherwise you might end up splashing everywhere and getting in trouble at home. Next, we mix 400 milliliters of cream with 30 grams of flour until the flour dissolves completely. To add a refreshing aroma, we grate the zest of 1 lemon. Smells amazing, right? We strain this mixture into the cheese base to keep it silky smooth. Now pour the entire mixture into your baking pan, once again straining it to ensure a perfect texture. Bake in a preheated oven at 220 degrees Celsius, 430 degrees Fahrenheit, for at least 30 minutes. When you take it out, the cheesecake should still have a slight jiggle. That's how you know the texture is perfect. Let it cool down patiently, because eating it too early might ruin its consistency. And here it is, the world-famous Сан-Себастьян cheesecake. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check out my other dessert recipes. Share your thoughts in the comments. Who knows, maybe the next recipe will be the one you suggest. Bon appétit!